Yamakal Garma, and today I am here to explain you the pronunciation of numbers 0 to 100. Numbers are pronounced in French as les nombres. Les nombres. Okay? Now, first we are going to learn numbers from 0 to 20. Now in my earlier videos, I have explained you diphthongs and triphthongs. So diphthongs and triphthongs play a very important role in the pronunciation of any word. So let's start with numbers. Now you are going to see how they means diphthongs and triphthongs play a very important role in the pronunciation of any word. First thing, 0 is written same as we write in maths, Z-E-R-O, but only above E there is an accent aigu that is pronounced as zero in French. Zero. UN is pronounced as en. D-E-U-X. Okay. Now X is a consonant, and I have told you usually when the consonant comes at the end, it is silent. It is not pronounced completely. So here X will be silent. E-U. This comes in diphthongs. E-U is pronounced as O. So with D, it will be pronounced as the. Now 3. T-R-O-I-S. Again S is a consonant. It will be silent. O-I is pronounced as UA. So this is pronounced as Trua. Q-U-A-T-R-E. I told you Q-U-A is pronounced as Ka, not Kua. So here we can pronounce it as Katra. Little bit a pronunciation we can use. Katra. 5. C-I-N-Q. It is pronounced as Sat with a nasal sound. Now 6. S-I-X. But here X will be pronounced, but with Z pronunciation. So this is pronounced as sees. 7. S-E-P-T. Now these numbers are exceptions from 6 to 10, that whether consonant is coming, but these numbers are pronounced completely. Now 7 is S-E-P-T. In 7, P is silent. Okay, P is silent. So here it will be pronounced as Sep, not Sep, Sep. Okay, then 8. H-U-I-T. Again here last consonant is pronounced and H will be silent. U-I is pronounced as Ui. So the pronunciation for 8 is with. 9. N-E-U-F. EU again is pronounced as A. So this is pronounced as Nuff. 10. Same as 6. If 6 is pronounced as Sees, then 10 is pronounced as These. 0. En. De. Trois. Quatre. Cinq. Six. Sept. Huit. Neuf. These. Now let's see from 11 to 20. Now you can see that from 11 to 16, the numbers are ending with E. E means you have to pronounce it completely. So 11 is pronounced as ons. Then D-O-U-Z-E. O-U is pronounced as oo in diphthongs. So this is pronounced as doos. T-R-E-I-Z-E. E-I is pronounced as A in diphthongs. Treize. Q-U-A-T-O-R-Z-E. Quatorze. Not quatorze, it is quatorze. Q-U-I-N-Z-E. Quinze. S-E-I-Z-E. Again E-I is coming, so the pronunciation is A, like phrase. So this will be pronounced as says. 17. These set. Okay, these with, because here I have already told you in the basic rules that whenever the second word is starting with a vowel and first word is ending with a consonant, so these both will get mixed. So the pronunciation will become these with. Then 19 is these nuff. Then 20, V-I-N-G-T, is pronounced as van. Van. Okay. So from 11 to 20, I'll repeat again. Ons, dus, tres, quatorze, quinze, seis, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay. Now how to write numbers from 21 to 100. Now here I have written 21, 31, 41, 51, 61, 71. Besides that, I have written ET. ET means and. It is pronounced as A. Now you can see, for joining two numbers, to put hyphen, it is compulsory. Okay, it is compulsory to put hyphen for joining two numbers. But only in these numbers, 21, 31, 41, 51, 61 and 71, we are not going to put hyphen. Instead of hyphen, we are going to put A. That is ET. Now how to do that, I am going to tell you now. Now you can see that in 21, I have put ET between the two numbers. But in rest of the numbers, I have put hyphen. That's what I was explaining, that 21, 31, 41, 51, 61 and 71, we are going to put ET, that is A, in between. The meaning is 20 and 1. 20 and 1. 20 plus 1 is 21. So, 21, pronounced as 21. Then, 1 the, 1 trois, 1 quatre, 1 cinq, 1 six, 1 sept, 1 twelve. Again, because the second word is starting with a vowel and first word is ending with a consonant, so this the pronunciation will get mixed with. So the pronunciation will become one to with. Then 29 is one nuff and 30 is pronounced as trot. Now you know that 30 is trot. Now when you are going to write 31, so you are going to take this trot, then you are going to put a on. Trot, a on. So now I am going to tell you how to write other numbers like 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Okay. Now 31 is trot, a on. Now the numbers after that go with the same flow like from 2 to 9. Trot, the, trot, trois, trot, quatre, trot, cinq, trot, six, trot, sept, trot, huit, trot, neuf. Then 40 is pronounced as quarante. Quarante with a nasal sound. Quarante. Then 41, again ET is there between two numbers. Quarante et un. Again it will go same like quarante deux, quarante trois, quarante quatre, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. Then 50 is pronounced as cinquante. Cinquante. Then again 51. Cinquante et un, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58. 59 is 59. 60 because OI is coming. OI, the pronunciation of OI is OA. So this will be pronounced as soixante. Soixante. Then 61 to 69 is soixante et un, soixante deux, soixante trois, soixante quatre, soixante cinq, soixante six, soixante sept, soixante huit, soixante Naf. Now 70 is swazont. These 60 plus 10. So now if 10 is coming here, so from 71 to 79, the numbers will be from 11 to 19. So 71 is swazont a ons. 60 plus 11. Swazont a ons. Okay. Now from 71 to 80. 71 is swazont a ons, as I have already told you that it is 60 and 11. So now after ons it will go till 19 as these now. So 72 is swazont 12, 73 is swazont 13, swazont 14, swazont 15, swazont 16, swazont 17, swazont 18, swazont 19, and 80 is 80. 80 with S. Only in 80 you are going to put S at the end, but not after 80. Only in 80 S will be coming at the end, but not after 80. Now 81, 80, 82. Now again it will start from 1 to 10. 83, 84, 85, 86, 86, 87, 88, 89, and 90 is 90. These. Again 10 is coming. These. 90. Okay. Now from 91 again, because 10 is coming here, these is coming. So again 91 will start from the numbers from 11. How? I am going to write it now. Now from 91 to 100. Because 90 was ending with these. So here from 91 we have started with ons. Now you have seen that till only 71 we have written ET. A. But from 80 we are continuously putting hyphen in between, like 81, 91. Okay, now how to pronounce 91? 91 tons, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 89, and 100 is pronounced as son, because I have told you that en is pronounced as on with a nasal sound, and t will be silent because the consonant is coming at the end. So this is pronounced as son. Okay, so guys, if you like my video, please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.